A hurricane just destroyed 70% of Jamaica in under 18 hours. But here's what's terrifying. Hurricane Melissa went from a tropical storm to Category 5 faster than most people could evacuate. Scientists are calling it the new normal. And your brain literally isn't wired to understand why this keeps happening. What happened to Jamaica this week isn't just another bad storm. It's proof that hurricanes are breaking the rules we thought we understood. Researchers just confirmed that rapid intensification is accelerating beyond our worst predictions. And the scariest part? Our psychology can't keep up with the physics. The Melissa acceleration. Monday morning, Melissa was a Category 1. By Monday night, it was Category 5. That's like your car going from 40 to 160 miles per hour in seconds. Scientists tracking Melissa recorded sustained winds jumping 95 miles per hour in just 24 hours. The ocean surface temperature where Melissa formed? 88 degrees Fahrenheit. That's bathtub warm. Studies from 2024 showed that every 1 degree Fahrenheit increase in ocean temperature increases rapid intensification probability by 25%. Your brain expects storms to build gradually, like watching clouds gather. But Melissa proves storms now work like pressure cookers. Normal, 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 then explosion. We're psychologically programmed for linear danger, not exponential catastrophe. If you live in hurricane zones, your new rule, Category 1, means prepare for Category 5. The old escalation timeline is dead. The Jamaica wake-up call. Black River residents in Jamaica went to bed preparing for a bad storm. They woke up to apocalyptic winds that literally peeled concrete off buildings. MIT's latest research shows that rapid intensification events near land have increased 400% since 2000. Melissa gained more strength in its last 12 hours than most hurricanes gain in a week. The physics are simple. Warmer oceans are rocket fuel. Jamaica just experienced what psychologists call discontinuous change, when reality shifts so fast that your mental models shatter. It's like finding out gravity suddenly works differently. Your brain can't process that the rules have fundamentally changed. Think about this. Melissa released more energy in 18 hours than humanity uses in an entire year. Your brain literally cannot comprehend that scale. It's like trying to visualize infinity. You default to really bad because civilization threatening doesn't compute. If you've been noticing storms getting scarier each year, hit like because you're not imagining it. The preparation paradox. Jamaica had 96 hours of warning about Melissa forming. They had less than 8 hours warning it would be catastrophic. New data from NOAA shows that the average rapid intensification event now happens 3 times faster than in 2010. The ocean's heat content has increased so much that storms can now bomb out. Meteorologists speak for explosive strengthening almost instantly. Here's the psychological trap. Your brain needs time to shift from normal life to survival mode. But these new storms don't give you that time. It's like your smoke alarm only giving you 10 seconds to escape instead of 10 minutes. New reality. Prepare for the worst-case scenario the moment you first hear about any storm. Your brain's wait-and-see instinct is now deadly. Be honest. When you first heard about Melissa, did you think it would be this devastating? Or did your brain assume it was just another hurricane? Tell me in the comments. The normalization of catastrophe. In 2004, a Category 5 hitting the Caribbean was international news for weeks. Melissa is already being replaced in headlines after 3 days. Psychologists call it disaster fatigue. Your brain literally reduces emotional response to repeated trauma. Studies show we now process Category 5 hurricanes with the same emotional weight as Category 2s from the 1990s. Your brain is protecting you from constant panic by numbing you to escalating danger. It's like living next to a volcano and forgetting it could erupt. The adaptation that helps you cope is the same one that keeps you from preparing. Jamaica just lost more infrastructure in 18 hours than they built in 18 years. But by next month, your brain will file this under bad things that happen elsewhere, even though the ocean temperatures that created Melissa exist along every tropical coastline. Melissa isn't an outlier. It's a preview. And your brain's inability to process that might be more dangerous than the storms themselves. The new mathematics of survival. Traditional hurricane prep assumed 72 hours to prepare. Melissa gave people 8 hours to save their lives. Columbia University's climate models show that by 2030, 60% of major hurricanes will undergo rapid intensification. The old bell curve of storm intensity is inverting. Extreme is becoming expected. Your brain uses past patterns to predict future danger, but climate change just deleted those patterns. It's like playing chess when the rules suddenly changed to checkers mid-game. Your strategies are useless. What would you actually do with just 8 hours of warning? Do you even have a plan that works that fast? Let me know below. The recognition gap. Melissa's victims keep saying the same thing. We didn't think it would be this bad. Cognitive scientists found that humans need 3 to 5 similar experiences before updating risk assessment. But with rapid intensification, you might only get one chance to learn. Your brain is waiting for practice runs that don't exist anymore. It's like learning to swim in a tsunami. The learning curve is now a cliff. Here's what haunts me about Melissa and Jamaica. It's not that we didn't see it coming. We watched it form, tracked it, named it. But our brains couldn't accept that Tuesday's drizzle would be Wednesday's demolition. We're running climate change software on Ice Age hardware. Our brains evolved when weather changed over generations, not hours. Next time you see a tropical storm warning, remember Melissa. Remember Jamaica. Your brain will whisper, "It won't be that bad," because that's what kept your ancestors from panicking at every cloud. But those ancestors never met a Category 5 that came from nowhere. So let me ask you, does Melissa change how you'll react to the next storm warning? Or will your brain still tell you it won't happen here? Drop a comment, because I think we're all lying to ourselves about how ready we really are.